So first thing first, you need to go to Elegant Theme account and download the Divi theme. Always make sure to download the latest version. Please don't use the old version. Okay, so once the download is completed, you will need to install the WordPress in your server. Installing the WordPress from cPanel is the easiest way. Now let's go to cPanel and browse for WordPress app. Once you go to WordPress installation, click the install button and make sure to give the correct information. The latest version of WordPress is selected for you. Now you need to make sure that you choose the correct protocol. If you are installing in the root of your server, please keep the directory empty. I'm going to install this WordPress in a separate folder for this demo. Next, give your site a name and a description. Make sure it's SEO friendly. And then we need to create an admin username and a good strong password. Lastly, add your default email. This is where you will get all notifications. Click the install button and wait till the installation is completed. You will get two links to your new WordPress website. One is for the home and one is for your dashboard. Let's click the second link to go to the dashboard. Okay, so now we need to install the Divi theme. To do that, we need to go to the appearance and then click the themes tab. I always try to keep the backend clean. Let's remove unnecessary themes and keep only one as a backup. Now we need to install the Divi theme. There are two steps that I follow to do this. You can upload the zip file by clicking the Add New tab and then click the Upload Theme button. This will give you the option to pick your zip file and upload it. However, if you're using a shared server and when you have a slow internet connection, it will take a long time to upload. In this case, I always use my FileZilla FTP software. This will upload your file much quicker. So let's do this. Remember, when you upload a zip file to your server, you will have to go back to your cPanel's file manager and extract that zip file. Let me show you how to extract the zip file in the file manager. You need to go to your root folder and then click the WP content folder and click the theme folder. Once you're inside the folder, you can right-click the zip folder and select extract. Now you have installed Divi Theme and WordPress. To make sure your Divi Theme installation is perfect, we need to do one last check. Go to your Divi tab in the dashboard and click the Support Center tab. Right on top in the System Status window, click to show full report. Make sure all checks are in green. Now you have installed Divi Theme successfully. Congratulations! Please don't forget to subscribe and like this tutorial. I hope you learned the basics here. Don't forget to leave a comment and let me know what sort of tutorials you would like to see next. Let's meet in another tutorial soon. Thank you.